This is Rebecca with Badger Welder, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about our Cordless M22 wire feed MIG welder. It is a complete welder in a case and can be ready to use in less than a minute. There is no need for an external power source. It has up to 18 minutes of trigger time and as much as 60 inches of weld before it needs to be recharged. You can also connect to external batteries to extend the weld time. At full power, our Badger welder runs at 24 volt DC, 150 amp MIG and flux core welding, and can take on materials 16 gauge to half an inch thick. It's compact and lightweight with the batteries and wire feed MIG gun all in one case. It also includes a 120 volt AC charger and a 2-pound spool of 0.03 flux core wire. The Badger welder utilizes 24 volts for welding and charging, so it has a much safer charging configuration. It also uses a cold tip design to prevent unintended arcing before you pull the trigger. This is a great portable welder for farms, construction sites, off-roading, landscaping, hobbyists, and so much more, especially for those emergency situations. I highly recommend the Badger welder for all your welding needs. For more information about the Badger welder, you can visit www.badgerwelder.com.